Hello everyone, welcome to Dristi GK. Let's get started. Question number 1. Orange Revolution is associated with which country? Answer is Ukraine. Question number 2. Which is the most populous city in the world? Answer is Tokyo. Question number 3. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? Answer is USA. Question number 4. Who was the first person to cross the Alps with army? Answer is Hannibal. Question number 5. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Islands? Answer is Myanmar. Question number 6. Who was called Zind Pir in Mughal India? Answer is Aurangzeb. Question number 7. Which is the latest addition to the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India? Answer is Red Fort. Question number 8. Which state shares boundaries with the maximum number of other states of India? Answer is Assam. Question number 9. The first railway line in India was opened in which year? Answer is 1853. Question number 10. Which mountain ranges stretches from Gujarat to Delhi? Answer is Aravallis. Question number 11. Who wrote the book Diplomatic Encounter? Answer is Arundhati Roy. Question number 12. Which state has the largest number of salt lakes in India? Answer is Rajasthan. Question number 13. Who was the last of the 24th Jain Tirthankaras? Answer is Mahavira. Question number 14. What is considered as the easily digestible source of protein? Answer is soybean. Question number 15. Which is a global biodiversity hotspot in India? Answer is Western Ghats. Question number 16. During which reign was Kalidasa lived? Answer is Chandragupta. Question number 17. Which energy do not have the problem of pollution? Answer is sun. Question number 18. What was the formal name of Tamil Nadu? Answer is Madras. Question number 19. Who is the leading wicket taker in the history of Test cricket? Answer is Shane Warne. Question number 20. How much of Earth's surface is covered by the forest? Answer is 30%.